everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about online coaching, content creating and video editing. And so for today's video, I'm really excited to share you guys on how to create a perfect YouTube banner. So before the 3 months I was starting my channel, I was actually get excited when I got to know the fact that I'm really doing a YouTube channel art, and I was like really excited because finally I had the feeling that I'm really doing this thing a lot. Unfortunately, I have deleted my old YouTube banner, but I can say you that that old YouTube banner was not that good as enough because literally I just put my name with a fancy font in my YouTube banner. That's the only thing that I put in my YouTube banner, and it is a big mistake that I can tell you, because actually when it comes to business or entrepreneurship, your YouTube banner does gives a lot of information to your viewers. They are like kind of a lot of things that need to be given attention, and they are not just like that. So my first YouTube banner did take a lot of time for me because I really didn't have any idea on what the heck I was going to do with my banner, because when I was starting my channel I didn't have any idea on what type of videos that I'm going to do and what are the needs for my content in my YouTube channel. So that becomes my very first problem when it comes to creating a YouTube banner, because actually I didn't know what I'm going to do. So to avoid that mistake from happening again, I am here to help you guys on creating a perfect YouTube banner for your channel, and I hope that this video actually helps a lot for those new YouTubers who just started off their channel. And I came forward to you guys to help you on creating a perfect YouTube banner that actually looks like wow. Okay, so I hope that you guys will stay tuned until the end of the video, because there are a lot of key points and key elements I need to share to you guys, as also I'm also giving some editing tips in this video. So for those who are hoping to bring out their channel to a higher level, make sure you watch this video. So now let's hop on to the tutorial. So now today I'm going to show a tutorial on how I create my channel art in YouTube, and the only software that I used to create my channel art was Canva. So why I suggest Canva? As you can see here, Canva has a lot of templates which is like premium thing, but they are free. What do I mean by free? You don't need to pay any money, and you don't need to upgrade to pro version, and you literally get the type of template that you want in Canva. And it is actually easy and it helps a lot. As you can see here, there are a lot of templates like Instagram stories, animated social media, invitations, A4 documents, social media, infographics, cards, and blah blah blah. There are a lot of things here. And now we are going to look at YouTube channel art. As you can see here, Canva already has that dimension for YouTube channel art. You can just go there. As you guys know, this YouTube channel art dimension is way slightly different than the dimension that you are seeing here right now, because if you come to my channel, the channel art is literally short and long, literally small and long, and it has some dimensions in it, because for mobile users they have different kind of dimensions for channel art. For tablet users they have different kind of dimensions for channel art, because the screen size is actually different. So when it comes to desktop, you can actually see the long thing here, you can see all of your content here, but when it comes to mobile, it's going to show just like from this thing until this thing. These are the things that are going to pop up in your mobile phone, and these things in the side are not going to show up. So make sure that you know the dimensions very well. So if you are newbie, I'm suggesting you guys to go to Google Images and search for YouTube banner dimensions and download them, and go back to Canva and upload it in Canva. So here we go. It's sometimes braggy where it is not acting like when you click and it doubles up on the screen. I really hate that thing. So now here, we already have that text and logo safe area. As you can see, these are, oh my, that's okay. This is why I suggest you guys to click lock it first. It is literally not going to move if you lock it. So if you unlock it, it is going to move here and there around when you click, and it is going to be hard for you to edit your channel art. So make sure you avoid that thing. So now here we go. This is the size for the mobile channel art, and this is the tablet thing, and this is the desktop dimension for channel art, for YouTube channel art. So make sure you are aware of it. So put your contents as much as possible in the text and logo safe area right here. So we have already chosen our text and logo safe area thing right here. So now I want you guys to go for elements. As I already choose shapes here, you can actually change the color of it according to your interest. I go for gray to keep it look like minimalist. And now, what is the problem here right now? As you notice, you can see the dimension in the background. So what you have to do is go to transparency and reduce the transparency right here. So now you can see that dimensions very well, and you can edit your videos. So now there are a lot of elements here right now, and it is actually simply good and captivating. So this is why I suggest Canva. Literally everything in this Canva is free, almost everything. So go to uploads, upload the image of your image of yourself. You can put the image of yourself. For those who prefer to put your brand logo, you can put your brand logo here. It's actually up to you whether what you want to do. Because I'm doing social media coaching, I need to approach a lot of people. I actually put a picture of myself so that when the people or my clients search for me, they can actually find me, because my image is right up there. It is popping right there. So make sure that you put your image under this dimension so that you can actually customize it. Okay, now it is very important for you to choose a better heading font, because your channel name needs to be big, bold, and can be seen openly. Because when people come to your channel, the first thing they are going to see is your channel art, and the channel art is going to literally show up your channel name, which is bold and very open. So make sure that you choose the correct font for your channel name to look it big and bold. So here I've searched for Canva fonts, and I found that a lot of pairs of fonts here. So I'm going to open Sans Extra Bold because it's really bold in its name also itself, and it actually looks good and it can be captivating the viewer's eye. So I edit my heading here right now. Increase the size of, okay, good, looks good. And if you want to check whether this looks good or not, great or not on your channel clip art, so make sure that you go back to transparency again, and yeah, here we go. You can check your channel art here. So now we have put your channel name. The second thing when it comes to doing your channel art is to make sure that you have some of the elements of your channel art here right now. So for those who does content plus, you can put your types of content. What are the content you are doing in your channel art? For me, my content is mostly on social media and bringing entrepreneurship, bringing brand. So I put social media coaching and entrepreneurship in my channel art. If you are the person who does like journaling videos, you can put journal things out there. So here we go, journaling. Okay, another awesome tip that I'm going to give you while doing your channel art is make sure that the font of your channel name and your content pillar is different. Why do I say that? Because when you put that same kind of font for your channel name and your content pillar, is literally going to look the same, and people even cannot differentiate between your channel name and the content. So it's gonna look like a whole paragraph thing. So please avoid that. And also it is highly recommended for you guys to change up the color of the channel name and the content pillars. Differentiate the colors of the font. So for my name right here, I put black, but for journaling, I think I want to give it a blue, perfect blue. So here we go. And I'm going to change the font right now. Make sure that your font is able to be seen. So now, okay, this looks good. As for other channels like Sunny Lena Doozy, they have that kind of slogan in their like channel art, as you can see here right now. Okay, her name, she got her channel name, and she have helping you be your own boss. That is like a kind of like slogan or anything. But when it comes to you, if you're doing journaling, if you want to put your own like slogan, you can always put it here. As I said earlier, differentiate the fonts, differentiate the colors. That's the main thing that I'm going to say here. When you look back at my channel art, here we go. The font for my channel name is different. The color and font for my content pillar is different, and my font for my this new video thing in every Sunday thing is different, but the color is the same. But the font is different. It's actually differentiating everything in that channel art, and this look good. And make sure to put this thing. This is very important strategy when it comes to expanding your channel. Why do I say this thing is important? Because when people come to your channel art, to your channel, this thing gonna pop up, and it is actually going to give them impression to expecting your videos on that everything. It is going to show up that your channel is active and you're being consistent on posting your content in YouTube. And people want to follow active YouTubers. People don't want to follow this ghost YouTubers who actually radio silent in their channel. So make sure that you put this. This is the bonus tip I'm giving to you guys in this week's episode. Okay, now we go for elements. As you can see here, Canva has pretty much of different type of elements here, so you can literally add them here and there to make it good look. And it is actually nice. These elements are beautiful and very captivating to the viewer's eyes, and I literally love it a lot. I love this a lot. I'm just doing this thing as fast as I can right now because it takes a lot of energy to search for them. But when it comes to channel art, make sure that you do a very well experiment of what type of background colors and settings that you are going to do, because colors, fonts are going to affect your channel art. That is the main thing when it comes to editing. Color does. So we got this shiny thing over here. So here we go. So as you notice, in YouTube, that they have this kind of link box where it links to your social accounts like Instagram, website, and Twitter. So make sure that you give a space here in this thing here, so that your Instagram, your social media links can be linked, and can make your YouTube channel to be more consistent and engaging with your followers. To check back whether this thing happens or not, works or not, I'm just adding them here and there because I literally don't have any idea on creating a better thumbnail. Okay, for those who are doing business like me, you can actually put your website things, your branding products here, right here. As for those who want to promote their social media account, those who are social media coaching, social media strategy, literally they need to promote themselves well, bring out themselves very well. So make sure that you put this kind of, you can put this kind of thing like your screenshot of your profile. So make sure that your followers can see your profile and they can follow your profile in social media. So this literally helps for me because for my subscribers can find me through this thing here right now, because I literally check my everything. And make sure that you put clear channel social media links so that your subscribers can engage with you, can come with you. So here we go, your final product. So to see whether this works or not, always go to transparency thing and make it to here. So now our thing is finished, and all you do is download this thing. Okay, go to JPG, download. Okay, channel art is very important when it comes to your YouTube channel, because as for me myself, I really get excited when I got to know that I'm doing a YouTube channel, and it's really interesting for you to do this. So now go to your YouTube channel, go to your channel art, select a photo from computer, and here we go. So as you can see here, the channel art is the YouTube is giving preview of your channel art in different type of dimensions, as I mentioned earlier: desktop, TV, and mobile. So when you look at this thing, it literally looks beautiful. And because I use these YouTube banner dimensions to estimate my dimensions, so what you need to do is you tag and adjust the crop level and everything, and select. Here we go. It's going to save and it's going to change your channel art. Welcome back, guys. So I have literally showed everything about Canva and about how to do a perfect YouTube banner using Canva. And I also have other free softwares that can be used to create a better YouTube banner, and I will upload them soon. So make sure that you stay tuned in my channel and don't go anywhere, because I'll be right back.